Hi everybody, I've got this metal raised garden bed with cages for an unboxing and review. Here's everything that came in the box. Got all the panels here, got some gloves, some nuts and bolts, some metal rod there. Looks like some of these holders here. And then these look like the corner pieces as well, and some stabilizing bars. Let's go ahead and get this thing together. All right, I got all the pieces laid out here. You'll notice you got 2 shorter pieces and 4 longer ones. You'll notice on one side of these here that there's a letter. So you have A and the other ones, shorter ones, say B. So that distinguishes between the outside and the inside. The side with the letter on it faces the inside. The side showing there is the outside, no letter. Okay, first step is to take 2 A pieces like that and have the inside facing up, laying on their backs, and line up the seams so the holes line up on each other when they overlap. Then we take this here, facing up, whatever side you want to be up, make this side up. Stick this on here like that. These are gonna go on the inside. So we'll run a bolt through there. We're gonna put all 3 of them in just like that, and just like that. Some of these, we're gonna need 3 of them, 3 sets here. There we go, just like that. If you have 2 people, you can do this vertically, but I've got it laying flat and horizontally for now. And they stand up just fine on there. There's how that goes together. And I just put the screw in from the bottom there. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put 2 more in here, the other 2. Okay, it's actually gonna be easier just to put the 2 on right now, like this. Then we'll flip it horizontal and do the same thing with the other side and connect these 2 rods to the other side. I'll just flip that other side up and connect those 2 right there. Now I'll put that 3rd rod in the middle, across the middle. Okay, now for our corner pieces, that notched out piece right there is going to go closest to the ground, and it's going to go to the inside of the long piece here. Right there. The screws will line up, and then we'll put our B pieces in there. So first I'm just going to go ahead and screw this corner piece in to our piece A here. I'll take our piece B's. Same thing here. Screw that on there. All right, there's what the inside of our first corner looks like. But what we're gonna do is unthread these top 2 now that we got it together and it's held in place, and then stick that over the top. That's a protector, it's a guard there, so we'll go ahead and screw that in. All right, there we go. There's what our first corner looks like. Now we'll go ahead and make the other 3 corners look the exact same way. There we go, got it all put together. Now let's just fill it with dirt and put the stakes in. Put the stakes in and then fill it with dirt. Okay, before this thing gets filled up with dirt, I'm gonna go ahead and put these things in here. Just slide right down the side corners there. Keeps the thing from getting pulled up.